So there's a video that we've been shooting alongside the Gemba videos, and it's called 10 Years of Waste. We're having a bunch of movement today. We've got the QA clearing out waste, so just all this crap is everywhere. This is all stuff from 10 years of not using things. We get rid of the desks here. The desks are all, they were full of crap. All this stuff here was pulled out of this building. All this junk, things that were not needed, boxes full of stuff, tables, stuff that was put on a shelf and never looked at again. That's actually full of papers, which we never use. All this stuff, these were totally full of samples that were 10 or 8 or 9 years old that we didn't use either. This is a crazy day of cleaning here. This is, we just combined our machine maintenance department, electrical department, and general maintenance department into one department. And they've gone through and done a really good job here. They're 3S'ing everything, getting rid of what they didn't need. This is literally a basket of stuff they don't need. This was just sitting there occupying space. So anything that's useful is up. Anything that may be useful but not used often will be hauled away. And then this is literally just trash. I mean, this place, I wish I had it before. It was nasty. And this is all happening at the same time that our engineers go to standing, QAs go to standing. Remember to fix what bugs you and think about what waste you're living under. All right, we'll see you later.
Hugh, you did a great job of leading this 3S transformation in China. Most people say it can't be done, but you're showing that everyone can learn these basic principles of 3S'ing, removing the clutter from your workplace so you're free to work with fluidity. Awesome. Can't wait to see the continued results.